Going to show you how to turn off restricted mode without password on TikTok. Your restricted mode is in on, so you want to turn it off. I do not remember your password. Let me show you how to do that. But before that, please subscribe. It's absolute. Thank you. Okay, so we open our TikTok. When you open your TikTok, you can see this is my restricted mode at the top here. Let me show you. Alright guys, let me show my tab. I'm sure my tab. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Oh, I didn't know what's wrong with this. Okay, so this is it. This is my restricted mode here. Do you see it? You can see it. So click on your provide money button here. Once you click on it, then you click on this three line dot, this three line. Then you click on your settings and privacy, and then you come out and click on your. Let's wait for it. So sorry guys. I'll click on this your content preferences, and after that let's wait for it to load. Click on this, and now you can see my restricted mode is on. Just click on it. Now you have to click on turn, but don't click on turn off because they do not remember the password. If you click on turn off, it's going to ask you for your password, so instead click on change passcode, and you are asked to enter your current passcode which you did not remember. Click on forget passcode, and we're going to ask you to use it or how to get your passcode. You can that use your number or use your email address. I'm going to put my number there. Once you put your number, you can see it's going to send code to this my phone. So if you don't have access to your number, you can use your email. And immediately to send it, you can easily change, or let's wait for the message to come in. Once message come in, it's again just to input the code. Once you input the code, send it, and you are going to reset your passcode so easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe. Thank you guys, and like. Thank you so much. You're wonderful.